Look closely at the thumb, snap like this. Then pour in the egg mixture. The dish is ready to serve. It's a brand new way of eating that you've never seen before. The recipe is simple, and you can easily make it after just one look. If you learn how to make this dish, I estimate 9 out of 10 people have never seen this before. Come and see how I do it. Okay, first of all, we need to prepare a bowl, crack 1 egg into it, then crack 2 eggs into it. But when we are beating eggs, I've already told you all, haven't I? We're going to dance outside. Oh well, let's go type in the comment section. We're outside. If you knock and the eggshell falls in, I'm not responsible. Come on, let's hit 5. I was cracking 6 eggs when I came across my video. Dear brothers, sisters, uncles, and aunts, may your fortune be as good as 6. May your fortune be as good as 6. What's this? Let's go inside. Oh, add just a little bit of salt, don't add too much. Now, hey, put a little bit of white vinegar in the bowl. Hey, here's how to remove the eggy smell. The key to this dish. Pay attention, make sure to add an equal proportion of 1.5 times the amount of warm water to the outside. This water is 1.5 times the volume of an egg, we know. Down I. Stir it up. Stir the eggs well, then add water and stir thoroughly again. Hey, 28 to 56 to 8 to 57 to 8 to 9 3 1. Good. Hey, take a look. After stirring it up, okay, this is us. Hey, take a small one. The bowl is because of this proportion. Hey, let's filter it. This way, the taste will be better and the color will be more beautiful, allowing it to fully develop its potential. What happens after the pot is ready? Better than you finished. What about later? Looks good, right? Isn't this egg especially beautiful? Now, let's. Can we stop now? Okay, this time. When will we come in? Add a little bean. This is BL Boy's love. After adding the tofu, it has a tender texture when we eat it. It's a bit like ice cream, the texture is. Oh, this fried gluten is really good. If possible, we'll choose plain boiled oil gluten, if that's not available. Let's choose the common one. Just make sure the gluten is cooked properly. First, take a good look at the ingredients. First of all, look, we'll just draw a finger and dress him like this. Go down. Hey, this. Sample. If you want, try rubbing your pants inside a few times to loosen them up. This way, the egg will be filled in more fully, but please remember this. This step is also crucial. We can't be too greasy. Look, this won't do. Okay. Then we fill it with this egg. In this gluten. Go and fill it with noodles. Until full. Fill him up with good tofu and eggs. When is it? Let's put the lid on him. After the water boils and steam rises, steam it first. 5 minutes, let's watch. See the effect. How's it going, bro? You've already shared hundreds of delicious home-style recipes. If this recipe helps you with your cooking skills even a little bit, then that's great. You're bothering me, give me a thumbs up, bro. Please leave a like and follow to show your support, okay? My brother is wishing you good health. May you have good fortune, good luck, and wealth. To all the brothers, sisters, uncles, and aunts who receive these blessings, please reply. I've received it, brother, and I sincerely thank you. Thank you so much. Now, let's prepare to tomatoes. Let's cut it. Hang down. After we've chopped it up with a knife, what do we do next? Put it in a bowl. We first scald it with boiling water. It's better because of our explosion. When the skin is exposed, it's even easier to get a good burst. Okay, let's rub this area and soak it for 2 minutes. We'll check it in a bit. Okay, time difference. There's not much left. Let's open it and take a look at this face. Really? Wow, look at this. Yes. Not very plump. Look at the tomatoes we've soaked. You're so full. See if this skin can be easily peeled off. And it's so silky smooth, isn't it? Later at home, you can try placing it like this and see. Then we fed him these small pieces of gold. After peeling the tomatoes, the next step is to start cooking them. After we've heated it up, let's have some. You don't need too much oil, just a little is enough. Easy to extrude. Come on. Give it a turn and a shake, then put the almond cookies in the pot. Stir fry the noodles. Okay, let's add just a little bit of salt. The adding salt step in our happiness process is mainly to make this happiness even better. Quickly stir fry to extract the sand and the broth inside, if you prefer a stronger flavor. If you'd like, please add this to our bowl. Adding tomato sauce or ketchup will make our tofu taste even richer. Hey, let's stir fry it a little longer. First, stir fry the rice until it's completely cooked through and has all the juices, until it reaches this consistency. At this time, we will add just a little bit of water, not too much. The seasoning is very simple. We've already added salt, so just add less sugar. Hey, let's add some light soy sauce. And this spoon. Let's just add a little spoonful of light soy sauce, okay? Let's take this perfect amount of gluten, one by one. Put it inside. Okay, after we put everything in the pot, let's put the lid on. We turn. Let it simmer on low heat for 3 minutes, then check the results. Is it pretty or not? After we've simmered it for 3 minutes, let's turn the heat up. Turn up the heat and reduce the broth inside. Let's do this to thicken it up a bit. The broth is the one I made. The flavor will be even stronger. It will be even more amazing. See, the broth has reduced almost completely, right? Okay, now, let's sprinkle some chopped green onions in to adjust the color. See if it looks special? Pretty, isn't it? Okay, now it's done cooking. Wow, look at that. Wow. My weirdo, how about this oily rice porridge stuffed egg? If it's 100 points, how many points would I give it? I'll come and try it here to see how it tastes. Wow, let's dance something cool. Come on. Wow, delicious green beans.